We're going to be using this label for questions 16 through 20. So our first question wants to know, is refrigeration required for the mixed solution? So I need to search my label, and it says store constituted suspension in a refrigerator. So yes, refrigeration is required for the mixed solution. 17 says what volume of diluent must be used, and we find that right here where the total water is 29 mLs. So 29 mLs. 18 wants to know how much should be given if 0.07 grams are ordered. So I need to find my solution strength, or my rate, and that is right here. And the word per is my hint. So 18, I'm setting up a proportion. And before I can solve this proportion, I need to convert this to 70 milligrams. So 5 times 70 divided by 100, and we get 3.5. Looking at number 19, it says how much should be given if 12 milligrams are ordered. So it's the same strength, five times 12 divided by 100, and we get 0.6. So 0.6 mLs. And then lastly, on number 20, it says what expiration date goes on the label if the solution was mixed on March 6th at 3:30 p.m. So going back to the label, we can see here that the mixture may be used for 14 days. So 14 days would be our shelf life. So I need to add 14 to March 6th. So that would be March 20th at 3:30.